Kung matagal ka nang nasa bulking phase pero hindi ka pa rin nakakapag-gain ng muscle mass, huwag kang mag-aalala bro kasi most likely isa kang hard gainer at meron ka lang talagang fast metabolism. At actually, kung naniniwala ka sa mga sinasabi kong yan, I have bad news for you. At kung isa ka na rin sa mga taong sawa na sa misinformation, welcome sa isa na namang episode ng Brospiracy, kung saan i-expose natin ang mga popular fitness myths and the dumb stuff your gym bro swears by. So kung ganito din yung katawan mo at nahihirapan ka pa din makapag-gain ng weight, huwag mo agad i-diagnose sa sarili mo na meron kang fast metabolism. Kasi ang totoo lang yan, nasa process ka pa lang talaga of building muscle. Ang totoong problema mo lang talaga is sobra kang excited sa progress. And gets ko naman kasi sino ba namang hindi. Pero kailangan mo maintindihan that muscle growth doesn't happen fast. Hindi to katulad ng body fat or water weight na makikita mo agad sa timbang. Usually, it takes months and months to see visual progress and years to see significant progress. Hindi ko sinasabi na wala kang makikitang pagbabago sa short term. Pero kung yung expectation mo is after 1 month, dapat malaki ka na agad, you're setting yourself up for disappointment. At ito pa, yung pinakamadalas na pagkakamali ng mga beginners. Dirty bulking. Hanggang ngayon, ang dami pa rin nag-iisip na bulking or dirty bulking will magically solve yung problema nila. Basta nasa 500 plus surplus ka, boom, muscle mass agad. Pero yung katotohanan, bulking won't fix poor training, poor sleep, and poor consistency. Kasi bulking without proper structure is fast-tracking fat gains. Hindi muscle gains fat gains. And kahit ako, alam ko yun kasi that was one of my biggest mistakes. Kaya kung gusto mo ng long-term change, ito yung kailangan mong tandaan. Day in and day out, train hard, eat well, and recover better. Gawin mo lang yun consistently and to the best of your abilities kasi hindi naman yun kailangan maging perfect. And lastly, be patient. Kasi the real secret is showing up kapag naboboring ka, kapag mabagal yung progress mo, at kapag pakiramdam mong walang nangyayari. Kasi maniwala ka sa akin, gumagana yan. You just need to give it more time. Kaya sa susunod na may magsasabi sa'yo na hard gainer ka, kaya mabilis metabolism mo at kailangan mo mag-bulk ng matindi, sabihin mo na lang, Brospiracy yan.